Okay. Um, Hi guys. So it's the London morning session for Monday, August 11th. Now, I know that some people don't like trading on Mondays. I don't know why, but I guess they're trying to see, what mode the market would like, what the market is going to do from the beginning of the week. I guess it indicates how the week is going to play out. But um, I mean, when I get to that level, I probably will be able to determine why that is important or why it's not. So, but for today, I've checked. These are all the pairs I typically look at, but I've checked them out. Nothing is looking good based on the way I kind of analyze the markets. But GBP USD looks like it's looking good. I typically start from like the daily candles, and if I look at this, um, market closed within this daily fair value gap last week, and this was a Friday, and we see that the candles are still kind of upward trending. So we expect price to still trade towards this midpoint again, and hopefully maybe continue upward. So that's kind of what we are looking at. So we go down to the okay, we actually mark out the previous day high, which is this PDH. That's what that means. We mark that out here, and then go down to the 1 hour mark and see what the market is looking like. Typically, I look for markets to test the obviously to break above that previous daily high, which it has done here, and come back to retest it. It's come back to retest it, and you will see if it continues to trade downward. But again, my projection is that price will continue upward. I think that ideally I should look for an entry opportunity, like a trade entry opportunity. So this is the uh, previous day high here. I should look for maybe a fair value gap or an order block or something to form somewhere here before entering the trade. But I entered regardless. We'll see how the price plays out. We'll still kind of place it at, this is actually below the day high for Thursday last week. So it's like a double buffer. Hopefully price doesn't bleed through everything. But I mean, we'll see what happens. Anyway, there's also an opening. There's also something here. There's a price level here that we think price will react to. But again, we'll see how this plays out. So this is Monday, August 11th, London session, and then I'll give you guys the update once this price maybe stops me out or goes in the direction we're looking for it to go to. Again, it's a demo account, it's not a live account. This is just me still paper trading and getting a hang of the market, getting a hang of my emotions, and so on and so forth. You could argue that when you're trading a demo account, your emotions might not really be in play because it's not actual Naira cover or actual money, But again, this is just me perfecting my strategies and how I approach the market. So quick one again, we'll go to the daily time frame, look at what the candles are saying, put mark out the previous day high for last week Friday. Expected price to break above it. It did. We expected price to come and retest and continue. It retested. It looks like it's still trading downward, but we'll hold our trade and see what happens. I was saying earlier that if you notice, we put our stop loss below the day high for Thursday as well, which is right here. So that's like a double protection. But I mean, we'll see what price does. We'll see what price does. So we'll hold it, and then I'll give you guys an update. The only thing I think I did wrong here was if I go to the 15-minute mark where I execute my trades, I should have waited for price to give me a nice, even though it did here. If you look at this right here, but this was on Sunday. I should have waited for price to give me a nice trade entry opportunity. There was something here, but nothing bold or whatever. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It looks like price is trying to raid liquidity or something here, but we'll see what happens. I'll give you guys the updates. I'll see you in the next one.